Hi there everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. It's going to be an extremely hot day today over eastern South Africa, in particular over the Lowveld and especially in northern KwaZulu-Natal, where some areas will reach the mid-40s this afternoon. On the opposite side of the country, on the other hand, a cold front has made landfall. That's already bringing rainfall to some areas of the Western Cape, but that region will see clearance as the day goes on. As that cold front moves through, a bit of rain will spread towards the south coast. That's going to reach KwaZulu-Natal's coastal areas later on as that southwesterly wind starts to push through. On the Highveld today, thunder showers expected under partly cloudy conditions, while it will be another clear day over the western interior. The rainfall probability map for today indicates where those thunderstorms are expected, including all of the northwest. Good news for that area. There is a likelihood for rain today, extending towards the Mpumalanga Highveld as well. We could see a few thunder showers into the Lowveld areas later on. Rainfall moving into KwaZulu-Natal by this evening, especially for the coastal belt, and we'll also see some drizzle affecting the Umtata and Elliot areas later this evening. A few showers for the south coast, and as I've already mentioned, things will start clearing up over the southwest coast later on. Temperatures will be in the upper 30s and low 40s for much of northern South Africa for today. Extremely hot conditions in the Lowveld, where Phalaborwa gets to 42 degrees. And it's also going to be hot over the central parts, Bloemfontein with a high of 39. And here we see those very high temperatures, Ladysmith and Pietermaritzburg, both reaching a maximum of 40 today. Along the east coast of the country, winds will be fresh to strong over this area. Southwesterly winds pushing through. Those winds will be reaching Richards Bay by this evening, but not before those temperatures will reach the lower 40s this afternoon. Over the southern parts of the country, it's going to be somewhat cooler today with the cold front moving through. Worcester reaches a high of 25, a bit of rainfall expected for that area as well. Along the coastline, we are expecting moderate to fresh winds in this region, but strong for some places, including Jeffreys Bay. This is helping to pick up the swells, averaging at 3.5 metres, but reaching 4.5 metres by this evening. Cooler for Muizenberg and Hermanus, both reaching a maximum of 21 today. We're expecting a high of 35 for De Aard and Colesberg. Kimberley still gets to 40 degrees this afternoon, but cooler for Calvinia and Sutherland in the mid-20s. It remains cool today along the west coast of South Africa. Winds becoming strong for Alexander Bay, coming in from the south, and a southwesterly wind continues to blow for Cape Town. This area can also expect swells to increase to about 3.5 to 4 metres around Table Bay and Langebaan by this evening. A look ahead to your Christmas weather conditions, and it's going to be cooler for eastern South Africa. Wet weather expected for KwaZulu-Natal. Scattered thunder showers also cooling things down for Gauteng, and a bit of rainfall returns to Bloemfontein and Kimberley.